Hi, thank you for visiting my poster on the effect of IV thiamine supplementation on lactate levels in critically ill adults. The proposed study will look to determine the effects of IV thiamine in early admission on serum lactate and thiamine levels, as well as the prevalence of thiamine deficiency in the critically ill, which is an area where there are literature gaps in dosing frequency and the effects of supplementation. It will be a randomized placebo-controlled design trial with blood drawn daily. The intervention group will have 200 milligrams of IV thiamine the first day and 100 milligrams IV thiamine on subsequent days, while the control group will have IV normal saline. 176 people will be recruited for this, and t-tests will be used for the significance between means. Anticipated results will be that IV thiamine supplementation will increase serum thiamine and decrease serum lactate, hopefully significantly compared to the control groups, and that thiamine deficiency will be more prevalent than previously realized at baseline in admission on these patients.